A used car lot in the rain. Somewhere on that lot sits an SUV with over 150,000 miles on it, a decade of oil changes behind it, and another decade still ahead. Most buyers walk past it looking for something newer, something shinier, something that feels safer because it feels less used. That instinct is usually wrong. The vehicles that last the longest are not the ones with the fewest miles. They are the ones engineered to survive high miles in the first place. Every SUV on this list costs less than $10,000, and every one of them has the data to back up a much longer life than its price tag suggests. These picks are pulled from independent reliability analysis covering millions of vehicles, not brand reputation or gut feeling, and each one has been cross-checked against real used market pricing, so the numbers you're about to hear reflect what these vehicles actually sell for right now, not some outdated estimate from years ago. If you're the kind of person who wants proof before you hand over your money, hit subscribe, because that is exactly the approach this channel takes with every vehicle we cover. Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 from the 2010 to 2013 model years routinely posts reliability scores near the top of any independent used car study, often landing around 88 out of 100 in aggregated scoring. That number comes from a simple engineering formula, a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, a conventional automatic transmission, and none of the turbocharged complexity that shortens the lifespan of newer compact SUVs. Fuel economy sits in the 24 city and 30 highway range, depending on drivetrain, which is respectable for a vehicle from this era. The RAV4's biggest advantage is parts availability. Because Toyota sold enormous volumes of this generation, mechanics have seen every failure point already, and replacement parts are cheap and everywhere. The most common issue to check for on this generation is the water pump, which has a documented failure pattern around 90,000 to 110,000 miles. So ask for service records before buying. Expect to pay between $7,000 and $10,000 for a clean example with 100,000 to 130,000 miles, with lower mileage examples pushing toward the top of that range. Honda CR-V. The 2011 CR-V is frequently ranked at the top of its class for reliability, and the 2012 EXL trim leads the segment on fuel economy, returning 23 miles per gallon city and 31 highway in front-wheel drive form, with all-wheel drive models losing only a single mile per gallon in each category. The CR-V uses Honda's well-proven 4-cylinder engine paired with a conventional 5-speed automatic, a combination that has a long track record of running past 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. Interior space is generous for the vehicle's footprint, and the ride quality remains comfortable even on rougher roads. The one recall worth checking on this generation involves the power window switch, which was addressed under a Honda service campaign, so confirm it was handled before purchase. Prices for this generation typically land between $8,000 and $10,000 for well-maintained examples, and CR-Vs with dealer service history tend to sell close to the top of that range because demand for this generation remains high. Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. The 2016 Outlander Sport does not get talked about often, but independent analysis of over 12 million vehicles ranked it as the single most reliable used crossover SUV available under $10,000, with an average price around $9,869 and a reliability score of 7.3 out of 10. That is a name most buyers overlook entirely, which is part of why it holds its value and stays affordable relative to its actual dependability. The Outlander Sport uses a straightforward 4-cylinder engine and a continuously variable transmission, and while CVTs carry a reputation for problems in some brands, Mitsubishi's version in this generation has proven durable when maintained on schedule. It is a smaller footprint SUV, so buyers prioritizing cargo space should cross-shop carefully. Mitsubishi's warranty coverage on this generation was also longer than most competitors at the time of original sale, which means many examples still on the road today were maintained under factory-backed service intervals, adding an extra layer of confidence for a used buyer. Jeep Compass. The 2016 Compass ranked second among reliable crossovers under $10,000, averaging $9,319 with a 7.2 reliability score. This generation of Compass predates the more troubled redesign that came later, and it shares mechanical components with other Fiat Chrysler platforms from the same period that have held up reasonably well. The Compass offers real all-wheel drive capability at this price point, which is unusual for the segment, making it a practical choice for buyers in regions with harsh winters. years. Interior materials feel a step below the RAV4 or CR-V, but the drivetrain itself has proven dependable in independent data. Buyers should still have any compass inspected for the timing belt service interval specific to their engine option, since a missed service on this component can lead to a costly repair down the line. Chevrolet Trax. The 2016 Trax was rated the best used subcompact SUV under $10,000 in one major ranking, with an average price of $9,474 and a reliability score as high as 7.5. It runs a small turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which is less common in this price range and delivers better fuel economy than most competitors, typically in the range of 26 city and 34 highway miles per gallon. The trade-off is a smaller cargo area and less power for highway passing. But for a commuter-focused buyer, the Trax offers some of the best value per dollar in this entire list. If you're new to this channel and want more breakdowns like this one before you buy, subscribing is the easiest way to catch the next comparison. Chevrolet Equinox. The 2012 Equinox brings strong safety and reliability scores to the table, and it's frequently recommended as a solid option for younger or first-time SUV buyers. The base 4-cylinder engine is not powerful, but it is simple, and simple has historically meant fewer repairs over time. The Equinox offers more rear seat legroom than most vehicles in its class, a detail that matters for families cross-shopping in this price range. Expect to find well-kept examples between $7,000 and $9,000, often with full-service records available from the original owner. Buyers should note that a small number of this generation experienced excessive oil consumption, so a pre-purchase inspection that includes an oil level check and consumption history is worth the extra step. Honda Pilot. For buyers who need 3 rows, the 2011 Pilot EXL seats up to 8 passengers and comes equipped with Honda's VTM4 all-wheel drive system, giving it real utility for towing and foul weather driving that smaller crossovers on this list cannot match. The V6 engine in this generation has a strong reliability track record, and the 5-speed automatic transmission is a known, well-understood unit among independent mechanics. Prices for the Pilot at this mileage and age typically sit at the higher end of the $10,000 range, so budget accordingly if you're cross-shopping against the smaller crossovers. Timing belt service history is critical to verify on this generation, since the V6 is an interference engine and a missed service interval can cause catastrophic damage. Toyota Highlander. The 2010 Highlander offers 7-passenger seating and is available with a 3.5-liter V6 paired with all-wheel drive, giving it a meaningful power advantage over most of the 4-cylinder options on this list. Toyota's V6 from this era has a long history of durability, often exceeding 200,000 miles without major engine work when maintenance is kept current. The Highlander trades some fuel economy for that extra capability, but for buyers who need to tow a small trailer or regularly carry a full load of passengers, it remains one of the most dependable 3-row options available under $10,000. As with the RAV4, timing chain and water pump service history are the 2 items worth confirming before purchase, since both are known wear points on this generation's V6. Across all 8 of these vehicles, the pattern holds regardless of brand. Simpler engines, conventional transmissions, and high original sales volume consistently outperform newer, more complex vehicles when it comes to long-term cost of ownership. That's why none of these picks lean on turbocharged engines paired with dual clutch transmissions, a combination that looks appealing on paper but has a documented history of expensive failures once vehicles pass the 100,000 mile mark. Every one of these SUVs proves the same point. Reliability at this price point isn't about luck. It's about buying a vehicle that was engineered simply, built in high volume, and supported by a deep pool of replacement parts and mechanics who already know its failure points. The data backs every pick on this list, and if you're shopping under $10,000, starting with vehicles that already have a proven track record is the single best way to avoid an expensive mistake. Before you buy any used SUV, regardless of which one you choose, get a pre-purchase inspection from an independent mechanic, pull the vehicle history report, and ask directly for maintenance records rather than assuming a clean exterior means a clean mechanical history. The vehicles on this list have already proven they can go the distance. Whether any individual example does the same still comes down to how well it was cared for before it reached you.